Hi, my name is Durga Reddy. I have developed a travel companion app in Android Studios with Java. The main purpose of this app is like for the user to convert the values between currency, fuel, and temperature. The main this is my main interface of my app, where at the top the user has an three category top downs, like first one is currency, second one is fuel, and third one is the temperature. Below to that, the user has then two options, like first one option is like to have the source unit, and the second one is the destination unit. Below to that, I have created an input field where user can enter the input amount, input value. And the next one, I have created a convert button which converts, and last I have displayed the result. Now coming to the backend logic of my app, I have created some some packages which is useful for the project. And next, I've used the Java to connect my with my XML layout by using the find view by id. Next, I've created some arrays of strings. The string first one is like the string of categories which displays the currency, fuel, and temperature, and the string of currency units, USD, AUD, euros, etc., and the string of fuel units like mpg, kilometer per liter, gallon, liters, and the next string of temperature units, Celsius, Fahrenheit, and kelvins. And next, if an user selects a particular category, it automatically updates it units. uh, if he selects the currency, the currency of the units are updated. And after that, I have done the validation, like if an user enters an null amount and try to click on the convert button, it shows the enter a value. And if an user try to enters an integer with the string and try to convert, it shows the invalid number. And for the especially for the fuel, if an user enters an less than value amount and try to convert, it shows the negative values are not allowed. These are the some validations which I've done in my program. And in my app, like if an user wants to convert USD to AUD, like if he enters any units like around 20 units, it converted. The the major logic behind this is over here, like have selected the currency. If the user destination amount is like USD, and then source unit is like AUD, that means if the user wants to convert AUD into the USD, like the amount is like 10 units, try to convert, it shows 6.5. That means 10 divided by 1.55 is 6.45. And in the same way, if the user wants to convert from euros to USD, and the same unit value as 10 is 10.86, that means the value is 10. 10 divided by 0.92. This is the logic over here. And if the user's input source value is USD, and he wants to destination value is AUD, and the source unit is 10, convert, it is 15.5. That means USD is 10. 10 into 1.55, it is 15.5. And the same way for the euros, if the enter amount is 10, converts, it's 9.2, means 10 into 0.92, it is 9.2 euros. And in the same way, coming to for the fuel types, if the destination I mean if the source unit is like mpg and the destination unit is like kilometer per liter, and the units are 10, it is 10 into 0.425, it is 4.25. In the same way, if the source unit is kilometer per liter and the destination is mgp and the source amount is 10, it is 10 divided by 0.425. And now coming to the temperature, if the source unit is Celsius, and then destination is Fahrenheit, and source units are like around 100. Try to convert. It's 100 into 1.8. It's 100 into 1.8 plus 32.